Now is one of the best times to consider planting some fruiting plants in your garden. And here in Ireland, we've got a fantastic climate for the growing of a wide selection of fruiting plants, including apples, pears, fruiting cherries, all the soft fruit like the raspberries, the gooseberries, black, red and white currants. This is a lovely blueberry called pink lemonade. It actually produces pink blueberries, which are beautifully flavoured and really sweet. Rhubarb can be planted this time of year. Strawberries can be planted out now. They come into flower in May and give you fantastic fruit right through the summer. But one of the key things in growing fruit is to prepare the soil really well. Dig a nice generous hole, add some of the organic farmer manure into the soil before planting. And when planting, you simply take the fruiting plant out of its pot, firm it into the new planting home and add some of the farmer manure in around the base of the plant and firm it in. The weather is dry, give it a good watering, and particularly during the summer months, as the fruiting plants start to produce their fruit, they need regular watering and liquid feeding with a tomato feed. If you want fruit in your garden for your family, particularly for your children, well then now is the perfect time to plant a selection of fruiting plants. And here at Hawkins we've got a wonderful selection ready for planting now.